exocad Chair-Side, powered by ModuleWorks DentalCAM. exocad Chair-Side offers dentists a simplified design workflow to design restorations within just a few clicks. In-CAD nesting can be used to position the designed restoration in the desired production block. The integrated DentalCAM software from ModuleWorks automatically calculates the optimal toolpath for the corresponding job and outputs the NC for the selected CNC machine. Contact us to discover more.